It wasn't just a wooden box. It carried divine peace, sacred relics, and was a sign of Allah's support. This is the miraculous story of Taboot-e-Sakina, the Ark of the Covenant sent to the children of Israel. The Taboot-e-Sakina was a blessed chest given by Allah to Bani Israel. It contained sacred items like the staff of Musa, AS, the tablets of the Torah, possibly a remnants from Haroon, AS, and a source of Sakina, divine tranquility and reassurance. Allah mentions this in the Qur'an. And their prophet said to them, "Indeed, a sign of his kingship is that the Taboot chest will come to you. In it is tranquility from your Lord, and a remnant of what the family of Musa and Haroon left, carried by the angels." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:48. This chest would reassure the believers. Wherever it went, the help of Allah followed. In times of war, the chest was carried before Bani Israel. Whenever they took it to battle, they were victorious. It became a symbol of divine protection and a reminder of their covenant with Allah. But over time, their sins and arrogance caused the chest to be, taken away. Some say by enemies, others by divine will. Later, when Talut, Saul was appointed king by Allah, the chest was miraculously returned, carried by angels. This return was a sign of Allah's approval of Talut's leadership, and it brought peace and renewed faith. Among Bani Israel, Taboot-e-Sakina was more than wood and gold. It held the weight of divine mercy, miracles, and memories of the prophets. And its story reminds us, true power lies in obedience to Allah, not in relics, but in the faith they inspire.